Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening mga kababayan. Puntahan natin itong hirit ni attorney, counsel ng prosecution na si Attorney Kapunan. Kasi nga, nakita nila si Vice President Sara Duterte na pumunta sa Senado. Grabe nagkagulo. Grabing gulo ang, alam niyo sa totoo lang, no? Ang hirap din maging reporter ngayon, yung mga na-assign sa Senado kasi gustong makakuha ng istorya, gusto mo makapag-interview, lalong-lalo na kay Vice President Sara Duterte, bihirang-bihira naman talaga yan nagpapa-interview lalong-lalo na sa mainstream media nga, 'di ba? Doon lang siya umuupo lang siya doon sa Seminay, yung kailan pa ba yun? Isang buwan na ata yung nakalipas o 2 months ago. Yung interview niya sa mga banateros ba yun? Yun, 'di ba bihirang-bihira talaga siya nagpapa-interview. So pumunta siya diyan sa Senado kasi nga magmi-meeting daw. Diyos ko, sobrang sikip, dikit-dikit, tulak-tulakan, lahat nakatutok, gustong kumuha. Gustong interviewin si Vice President Sara Duterte, makakuha man lang ng statement, wala, as in. So puntahan natin 'to, si Attorney Kapunan kasi nga gusto nga niyang mag-appear diyan sa trial si Vice President Vice President Sara Duterte. So puntahan natin kung ano masasabi ng presiding officer sa kanyang hirit na sana mag-appear diyan sa trial si Vice President Sara Duterte. Gusto talagang nilang makita 'no? Gusto nilang makita si Vice President Sara Duterte diyan pero wala, eh. Parang hindi kayo ano, para parang ano malabo. Malabo yung mangyayari yon sa mga siguro ano, kung importanteng-importante na siguro 'no, 'di ba? Yung tapos na yung trial nila, magbubutuhan na sila siguro, andiyan si Vice President Sara. Pero hangga't sinasabi ng kanyang mga legal counsel or defense, mga abogado niya, na huwag kang magpakita or huwag kang mag-appear sa trial, kami na yung magre-represent sa'yo, eh, wala kayong magagawa. So, pakinggan natin ang hirit ni Attorney Kapunan.
First, Attorney Lorna Kapunan is recognized. Will you be the one to present your first witness, ma'am?
Good afternoon, Your Honors, Senate President, Presiding Justice. I do have manifestation. Well, in direct answer to the query of the presiding Senator Judge, I am not presenting the witness today, but I would like, with your permission, Your Honors, to manifest a query that we request be addressed by this honorable court, presiding judge, to the defense.
The lady may proceed.
We are informed, and in fact, we have seen an interview conducted in the Senate premises on the Vice President herself. And she had been quoted as saying that she is expecting a bloodbath and a bludgeoning, but she will not, her head may be blooded but unbowed. My respectful query, Your Honors, please, which could be directed to the defense counsels, is if the Vice President is in the premises, does she intend to appear personally before this impeachment court? And that is
Alam niyo naman na hindi sa ano 'yan, alam niyo naman na Mag-a-appear yan diyan sa trial. Nagpakita lang yun, pinakita lang sa taong bayan na okay siya. Hangga't kayo seryoso, hangga't kayo lahat ginagawa niyo na para masiraan siya, 'di ba? Para lalong lumugmok. Tama ba yun? Lumugmok. 'Di ba lalo siyang maging down. Pinakita niya lang sa taong bayan, 'di ba, na okay siya. Bagong gupit nga, eh. Tapos parang pumayat pa, 'di ba? Napansin niyo si Vice President Sara Duterte parang pumayat tapos ang ganda na bagay sa kanya yung ganyang klaseng buhok.
Preliminary to another manifestation that I would like to make. Your
Kindly
Honors, please.
proceed with your next one, Council. Because the chair is not yet sure if it will even address this to the Council for Respondents. Will simply answer the query of the Council for Respondents.
This is relevant to the presentation that we will be making this afternoon, Your Honors. This court will recall your own statements, Mr. Presiding Judge, that on Tuesdays, every Tuesday of every week, that the prosecution must indicate who the witnesses they intend to present before this court will be. This is to enable the impeachment court to issue, when appropriate, and if deemed necessary, a subpoena for such witness. And that is my query this afternoon, because an presentation of witness on the first article that we will be presenting, which is grave threats and acts of sedition, Your Honor. One of the key witnesses, hostile, albeit hostile, would be the Vice President. And therefore, if we can inquire if it is her intention to again appear in the premises of the Senate, because we are already respectfully informing this honorable court.
Pero ilang beses na sinabi sa inyo na nasa kay Vice President Sara na nga yan kung dadating siya diyan or hindi. Kasi nga, andiyan na yung mga abogado niya. Nire-represent na siya ng kanyang mga abogado. Ilan yung mga abogado niya diyan? 16. 'Di ba? Bakit kaya 'no, pinipilit nila na gusto nilang makita si Vice President Sara Duterte, na mismo ilang beses ng paulit-ulit na nasa kay Vice Presidente na yung desisyon kung mag-a-attend siya ng trial or hindi. Kasi meron naman siyang pinadalang representatives niya.
That we will manifest, that we will have a written request for her presence in connection with this article on grave threats, Your Honor. That is the relevancy of my manifestation.
The chair would like to rule on the manifestation and request of the Council for Prosecutors instead of throwing the question to the Council for Respondents, for the simple reason that I do not want to the parties to engage in a debate before this court. You can very well do that with the presentation of your witness through direct and cross-examination, redirect and recross. To answer, the impeachment rules do not mandate nor require the respondent to attend any hearing or trial of the impeachment court. Whether she was in the building earlier or arrived after, it is totally up to the respondent, because from the point of view of the court, she is represented in this court through her counsel already. Should the counsel for the prosecutors desire to call the respondent herself, the court will act on that motion and request once it is made and or filed, and need not make a ruling at this point in time. Because of course, when that motion is made, we will ask the counsel for respondent to make a comment and or reply.
Thank you, Sir Presiding Judge. Justice, Senator Judge, we yield to the wisdom of your decision.
Thank you, ma'am.
With that, we will reserve the right. We are not waiving the right to do call her at the appropriate time and to do file the appropriate request for subpoena ducis tecum and subpoena testificandum. For that, on that matter, Your Honor, I have no further questions and would like to turn over the floor to our lead public prosecutor. to
Thank you,
introduce. Thank
Counsel
you,
for
Your Honor.
Prosecutors.
Oh, pagdidebatihan pa nila yan. Oh, ilang oras na naman kaya pagdidebatihan dyan yung pag-appear ni Vice President Sara Duterte. 'Di ba? Parang ano, alam mo yun, hihirit pa si Attorney Kapunan, eh. Pero ilang beses na nating narinig na hindi hindi kailangan ni Vice President Sara Duterte na umattend. Nasa kanya yung desisyon. So, yung desisyon niya, siguro alam naman na nilang lahat diyan na andiyan na yung mga abogado, nirepresent na siya ng mga abogado niya. So, sa tamang panahon mag-aano siya, magmo-motion or ipasubpinan niya kung anong gagawin niya tapos pagdidebatihan na naman nila kung sino yung mananalo, abangan na lang natin, 'di ba? Anong masasabi niyo mga kababayan sa impeachment trial day 2? Sino bang nangibabaw ano kanina sa bangayan, grabe 'no? Sa ano kapag ano ka, kapag ordinaryong tao ka naisip mo talaga ano, tawag dito, yung mawawalan ka ng gana. Gano'n kabusisi yung ano 'no, yung pag-play pa lang ng video, kung yung mga ebidensya, 'di ba, pinagdedebatihan pa nila kung ipe-play or hindi, yung witness, puwedeng magsalita or hindi. Sobrang haba, ilang oras yung debate nila na yun, grabe. So ayan, hindi nagtagumpay, pero siyempre hindi naman 'yan sila susuko. Gagawin at gagawin nila, gagawa at gagawa sila ng paraan para, kumbaga makapag-attend diyan si Vice President Sara Duterte sa trial na 'yan. Kung kailan, hindi natin alam. Pero sa ngayon, hindi kailangan si Vice President Sara Duterte na umattend diyan at hayaan na lang yung mga abogado, yung mga prosecutors ng House at ng ano, ng defense, mga yung ano, legal counsel ng defense na magdebate diyan. So ngayon, magmo-monitor lang siguro si Vice President Sara Duterte diyan. So ayan mga kababayan, tablado. Tablado yung hirit ni Attorney Lorna Capunan. So ayan, God bless ating lahat. Ingat-ingat palagi. Bye-bye.